welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you how to make yogurt in an Instapot. Indian style yogurt in an Instapot. So very easy to make, and believe me when I say it's very important that small stuff to big stuff, everything should be taken care of in your home for your health. So let's go and see how to make this yogurt in an Instapot. So let's see how to make Indian style yogurt in an Instapot. This is my Instapot. You must know it if you own one. This is how it looks. And there is a yogurt button right here, and this is the pan. Now this is an insert that comes separately. I got it in my other Instapot, so I'm going to use this. Just take this and put it inside the Instapot. Make sure its handles are towards the side, and you can use any stainless steel or glass bowl with a lid. It needs a lid, so this is the bowl I'm going to use. This will fit perfectly in my Instapot. I'll show you. See, and you can close the lid also. It will fit right in. So take something that will fit right into the Instapot. It doesn't have to come with your Instapot. They didn't come with an Instapot. It's a bowl I bought in India, so I'm using that bowl. And the insert should be correctly placed, and I'm taking a bowl to heat up my milk in the microwave. I don't want to mess up the settings on an Instapot to heat my milk, so I'm going to do this in a microwave. So let's do this. I'm going to take a bowl full of milk. Take how much ever quantity you need. If you take this size bowl, it takes 8 minutes to boil the milk in microwave, and if you take lesser than this, it will take 5 minutes. So let's boil the milk for 8 minutes exactly. And milk has to cool down a little. It needs to come to a at least like room temperatures for the yogurt to happen. So let's on the microwave for 8 minutes for the milk to boil nicely. So what Instapot is doing to make the yogurt is inside temperature will be maintained from 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit so that the yogurt can happen, which is what we are missing outside in US kitchens. That's the only difference. If you have an oven and a light on, it will happen in the oven too. You can use that method too, but this method also works. If you are scared to try it in the oven, try it in an Instapot. It will work like magic. Do try it. Anyway, let the milk heat up, let it cool down, and I will show you how to make yogurt after the milk cools down. Like, milk is literally at the boiling stage. It's that hot, so it will need around 15 to 20 minutes for its heat to cool down. So at 10:30 we should be able to put it in an Instapot. So let's wait and let's complete our other work while it's cooling. Our milk cooled down to room temperature. When you touch the pan, it shouldn't be too hot or too cold, then it's too cold. It should be just like right enough to touch. Little bit lesser only, warmer should be good enough. So now let's make the yogurt. First thing we are going to do is add around half tablespoon of yogurt into this and mix nicely. And done. Now we are going to add to our Instapot 2 cups of water. It needs 2 cups of water, so don't skimp on it. It needs it, so just add. Now our bowl is ready to go into the Instapot. Slowly and carefully put the pot inside the Instapot. Our pot is inside the Instapot. Top it with a lid so that it's tightly secured. And now we are going to put our Instapot lid. Let me straighten this up. Yeah. Just lock it, and it should be towards the venting mode, that is release mode. You shouldn't put in pressure mode the whistle or the whatever you call it, sorry, I don't know. But on the Instapot is on. We are going to press yogurt button, and the setting comes to 9 hours and 30 minutes. That's what we are going to use. You don't need to touch anything, and the Instapot is on, as you can see. And in 9 hours and 30 minutes, Instapot will make your yogurt. Only thing you need to remember is put to the venting mode, don't put towards the pressure mode. That's it. Let it happen. Don't need to change the pressure, change the temperature, nothing. Let it do its job, and I will show you after 9.5 hours how the yogurt became. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. Yogurt is still happening. It's 9 hours and 5 minutes. We still have 25 minutes to go. Our yogurt is done, as you can see the end button. Let's take off the power and let it rest for a few minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll open the lid. And here is the water collected in here, condensation. So empty that water, and you can see that the pressure is not on. This is very, very important. So let's wait for some time and then we'll open it. It's been 15 to 20 minutes. Let's open it and see. Look at that water. And I can already smell the yogurt. Open it slowly. You can see it's perfectly done. I'll show you. See. You can shake it and see. If you keep it in the fridge, it will become much thicker. This is it for this video. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be back with a new video next time. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye. Our yogurt is done, as you can see the end button. Let's take off the power and let it rest for a few minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll open the lid. And here is the water collected in here, condensation. So empty that water, and you can see that the pressure is not on. This is very, very important. So let's wait for some time and then we'll open it.